Meet the OnePlus 13s, a compact flagship that doesn't compromise on performance or features. Designed for users who value power, style, and practicality in a manageable size, the OnePlus 13s continues the brand's legacy of offering cutting-edge specifications at competitive value. With a refined design, powerful internals, and a heavy focus on AI, this phone aims to redefine what a small flagship can do in 2025. Front and center is a stunning 6.32-inch LTPO AMOLED display. Despite its compact footprint, the screen is a true visual delight, supporting a smooth 120 Hz refresh rate that ensures seamless scrolling, animations, and gaming responsiveness. It also boasts a peak brightness of 1600 nits, making it ideal for viewing in bright outdoor conditions. Whether you're watching HDR content, browsing, or playing games, the experience is immersive and vivid with deep blacks and vibrant colors. Under the hood, the OnePlus 13s is powered by the all-new Snapdragon 8 Elite processor, delivering top-tier performance for demanding tasks. Whether you're multitasking between apps, editing videos, gaming at high frame rates, or using AI tools, this chip ensures smooth, efficient, and consistent power delivery. Backed by the latest RAM and storage technologies, lag is simply not an option here. In the camera department, the OnePlus 13s packs a versatile setup that includes a 50MP primary sensor with optical image stabilization, OIS, for sharp, detailed shots, even in low light or motion. Accompanying it is a 50MP telephoto lens offering 2x optical zoom, ideal for portraits and distant shots with natural depth and clarity. On the front, a high-resolution 32MP selfie camera ensures you always look your best during video calls, selfies, or social media content creation. Battery life is no concern thanks to a sizable 6,260 mAh battery, offering all-day power even with heavy usage. And when it's time to recharge, the device supports 80W wired fast charging, allowing you to go from 0 to 100% in a matter of minutes, keeping you productive and connected with minimal downtime. The OnePlus 13s is as durable as it is beautiful. It features crystal shield glass protection on the front and back for superior scratch and drop resistance. With an IP65 rating, it's built to withstand splashes, dust, and the challenges of everyday use. But what truly sets this phone apart is the brand new Plus Key, an innovative addition that allows users to trigger AI-powered shortcuts or assign personalized functions, adding a whole new layer of convenience and customization to your mobile experience. Running on Android 15 with OxygenOS 15, the OnePlus 13s brings a clean, fast, and fluid user interface paired with smart, AI-powered enhancements. From predictive gestures and intelligent battery management to improved photo processing and contextual suggestions, the software adapts to your usage patterns to provide a more personalized and efficient experience. OnePlus also continues its commitment to long-term software support, promising multiple Android updates for future-proofing. To wrap it up, the OnePlus 13s is a compact flagship done right. It brings top-tier performance, a premium display, a capable camera setup, long-lasting battery, and AI-enhanced software, all packed into a refined, durable design. Whether you're a tech enthusiast, a mobile content creator, or someone who simply wants a powerful yet manageable smartphone, the OnePlus 13s delivers in every category. This is the future of smart, sleek, and practical flagship smartphones, and it fits right in your hand.